there were a few things I wanted to do that didn't come out good. When I did it in testing, it came out great. When I did the megaphone voice, the one that's like this, it was supposed to come out really good, right? Because Zamza's coming from it's walkie-talkie, and the other guy who was supposed to be had an effect put into it, was supposed to sound a little bit robotic, like this, but apparently it sounded awful. So I kind of got blindsided a little bit. I wasn't ready for it to. I didn't think that it'd be taken badly, actually. But I'm glad I listened and changed it on the fly. Static is heard over an intercom in the top left corner of the room. A gravely haunting voice creeps over the speaker.
It's wiser to look before you leap. Subject 00310. You want your careless actions to cost someone their life now, would you?
Oops. Do that part again.
It's wiser to look before you leap. Subject 00310. Stop this. Your poor ears. Maybe I should try this one. Is it better now? Huh? Is it better now? Huh? I guess this is a little bit of a kindness for you, huh? No. Oh. Thanking me. You're really strange. Maybe you're the kind of person who finds themselves into strange situations often. No matter at all. Who am I? Can't believe you would demand my name after my little kindness to you. Instead of wasting your energy on squandering movements and pointless questions, why don't you take the time to listen to the only source of communication you have right now? That's a different game. Where's my cute yandere boyfriend, Doppio?